By understanding the functions of the political party, we understand the need of the political parties. As you know, that political parties not only contest elections but also forms the policies and program. They help out in making the laws. They form and run the government. They played a very important role in opposition. They shape the public opinion and they access to the government machinery and welfare schemes. Apart from there, could you understand why in modern democracy the country cannot exist without political party? If it is not so, then every candidate in the elections will be independent. So, no one will be able to make any promises to the people about major policy changes as there are variety of people in a country and they have various of expectations. The government may be formed, but its utility will remain uncertain. Elected representatives will be accountable to their constituency for what they do in the locality. This is only possible when a person who is called representative will associate with a party. It is seen in many villages of India where the panchayat elections are conducted without any political party. Generally, the village get split in many parts and each is put on its candidate. This is exactly what the party does. This is why the reason the political party in almost all countries in the world, whether they are big or small and developed or developing, the parties are important. A country with larger demography required representative democracy. As societies become large and complex, they need certain political lines where a representative is required to fulfill their needs. They also need some agency to gather different views on various issues to present these to the government. So, to bring various representatives together, we required a responsible government to be formed. It's a mechanism to support the government, make policies, justify them.